Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the use authentication in the Node.js. Now the next video would be generate JSON web token in the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically the login API where we are going to return the JSON web token for the authentication. Let's go and check this one. So first of all, install the package that is JSON web token. So let's go to the terminal and hit enter. Then we have to create the login API. Okay, so login route. So first we require the JSON web token with the JWT. So here we go with this one. So let's add it. Okay, and after this we have to go with the login API, login route. Okay, so let's go and do the login, because in the last video we have do the registration part, right? Now we are going to the login part. Okay, so here we go with the login part. Okay, so this is the login one. Okay, so here they are using the env file, so let's create the env file for the configurations. So .env. So here I'm adding the encrypt JWT secret, so let's create the secret also over here. Okay, secret. So any secret I can add. Okay, with comma and everything. Okay, fine. Caps. Okay, this is done. So for this one we require the .env, so let's go and install the .env file also. .env npm for the config to pick the values from the configuration, so we require this one. So copy this and go to the terminal, add this. Okay, so how to get this one, the configuration? So you need to just add one thing, that is require .env config, then automatically it pulls the information. So here we go with server.js file, then add the code like this. Okay, this is done. Okay, so let's understand the registration login process. So first find the email that the user exists or not. If not, then we are going to, if it is if you're not getting the user, that means email or the password is incorrect. Now going to validate the password, so that come the role with the bicrypt to compare the password. So whatever the password you are sending and the database, we have the password, so we are going to match the password. If there is no validation with the password, that means password is incorrect. Okay, and next after this, it every if the user is there, okay, and the password is right and the email is right, in that case now we are going to create and assign the JWT. Okay, so with, and here I'm going to get the JWT from the process.env file. Okay, then send the JWT in the response. So I'm going to send the JWT in the response. Okay, and here I'm going to set the cookie also. So I think cookie part I haven't added like this over here, response dot set the JWT in the response. I think it will give me the error like cookie. Okay, so let's see. I think I need to use the cookie also. Is it there? Cookie part is there. Let me check with this one. Cookie installation is there. Yeah, here is there, we require the cookie. So npm I cookie, npm I. So we have to install this. Okay, let's include this into our file. Here we go with this one. Why we are using this cookie? So like in front end, okay, so I want to when there is a logout, so first it will set the cookie, after that it will remove the cookie. So we will do the logout process like this. Okay, so for the token verification, we require the each and every step. For the token, we require the JW token. Okay, for each and every route to authenticate after the login. So this is done. Okay, let's go to the terminal and run node server.js file, and it's done. Let's go and do the login. The first last video we have done the registration. Let's log in with this user. Okay, so here I'm going to put the here register with login. and we require the email and the password. So make a post request. Let's try to send. Let's see the token is received or not. Here you can see login successful and the token is there. If I put the wrong passwords, then what happened? Email or the password is incorrect. If I just remove this one, it will return me the token. Okay, so this is how we are able to achieve or generate the token in the login screen, right? So in the next video, what we are going to learn, sending JW token in the cookie. So in the next video, we are going to send JW token in the cookie part. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.